Hey everyone, it is Andrea and today we're coming at you with this week's new release. I just want to say thank you so much for all of your support last week, for your orders, for your likes, for your messages, for your shares. Y'all are just the best. We are currently working on doing some production, any restocks, as well as a lot of the freebies and the pop mystery that all needed restocked. I severely underestimated how much y'all would love that. So I'm very excited about that. So we will be having new releases this week. I'm really hoping that everything in about like 1 to 2 weeks will just like even out and we'll be back to our normal like 1 week processing time. But for right now, I'm just going to leave it at 3 to 4, but it's definitely going to be earlier than 3 to 4. Y'all know how this works. So let's go ahead and get into this week's new releases, which I am super, super excited because we have our Pride kit for this year. And as you know, we always donate the sale of the net sale of the Pride kit for a certain amount of time. I'll have all the information in the listing and I'm just so excited to be able to do that. But if you've bought previous years, you know the gist. So let's go ahead and get into, we have a lot of really fun things this week. So let's dive on in. First things first is we do have a new character. This was requested. It is Oogie Boogie and this is number 75. Then we do have characters this week, which are these swearing scribblers. So stinking cute and they all come in the normal 6 as per always, and I just love these. I actually just used them in a spread that I was just filming. There is a color of the week and this is a gorgeous blue, and I was looking and I think we did a blue similar to this before, but this blue was requested, so I went ahead and did it sparkly. Y'all loved the sparkly red, again, way more than I thought. So this one I also anticipate being a fave, perfect for the 4th of July and just the summer months in general. There's a lot of blues going on in a lot of the summer art. This is sheet 11, 12, and 13. Those you could buy the buy all bundle or you could buy them individually. And then you have the scribbler sheets, which are available a la carte. And again, they come in the 6 scribbler options and they are just so stinking cute. I love using these so much. We do have an a la carte foil sheet. Well, actually there's 2 technically. So the first one here is a Pride sheet, and I think that this would go really, really well with either like Lucky Charm. You could do hearts, you could do stars, you could do sparkle, you could do shimmer, you could do confetti. Like it would go good with anything and just make it a little pretty rainbow. And I think rainbows also just go for any time. And then you have some quotes up here. I kind of intended these to be like you could put on full boxes and make your own like full box quotes with layering things, some rainbow little decos and some over here as well. So this will come in gold, silver, rose hollow, sparkly hollow, champagne lights, lavender hollow, and of course rainbow, which is my personal favorite, and it's a sparkly rainbow because that is just supreme. The next thing we do have is some underlays. These are the terrazzo ones. These did premiere in, I think it was silver, maybe, in the I just had a random idea. I need to write down. Do any of y'all have like the most random ideas at the most random times? Hold on or I will lose it. Okay. All right, I got it down. So it's for y'all anyways. So this will be coming in gold, silver, rose, hollow, and sparkly hollow. I just used these recently in a pre-plan with the relax kit and it just turned out so pretty. I love this for spring and summer kits because it also just kind of reminds me of like outdoor stone as well, like a kind of like a patio, and also layering this would be so fun. So that will be available. All these will be available Wednesday at noon Eastern. There's gonna be a foil bundle. I'm pretty sure that this is overstock for a mystery. I don't remember what mystery, TBH, but it is the, oh no, I'm just kidding. The studio lights really trip me out. Let's be real. Okay, so this is the silver and sparkly hollow confetti. So we do have this combo in the, I believe it's shimmer, and it was requested by Jessica. She really wanted to use it with the 50th kit. And I was like, Jessica, I don't really know about that. And then the more I thought about it, I was like, it's literally the same equivalent of golden champagne lights. And I was like, wait, Jessica is kind of a genius. So it's kind of hard to see under the studio lights, but you can see it on the bow page. And when you place it down, if you've used this, it's a really gorgeous option. I did actually use it with, I don't know, did this play on the, yeah, this played on the camp already. With this kit here. And it's so pretty. The studio lights are just not doing it, but you can see. the bottom washi especially. I just think it gives like a little bit of, it gives something extra. Like I feel like the silver is like shiny, but then that gives like a sparkle, and it just reminds me of diamonds. That's what silver and sparkly hollow remind me of. It's just diamonds. And I feel like almost the silver dulls down the color in the sparkly hollow, which makes it more neutral. Kind of a sparkly hollow kind of gets a little rainbowy, which is nice. But I think that the silver makes it like really it just looks like diamonds. So I love that. And that one will be available again Wednesday noon Eastern. And then as always, the Scribblers are only available Wednesday through Sunday. And then this will be on special pricing Wednesday through Sunday as well. Then I have a Restock, and this is just an example. I just wanted to bring something home to have physically to show you. But we did these before. We've done them in 5s and 10s, and I found that the 5s, you all like these better. They sell faster and more. So this is the 5 random foil bundles in the new format. They're not misfits or anything, but they're just 5 random foil bundles. Great for building up your stash, and I feel like all of the foil bundles are pretty usable. So the first one here, and again, this is an example, is Gold Birthday, Y2K Hollow, Lavender Hollow, Mickey Snow, Wizard in Silver, and Confetti in Hollow. So those are going to be restocked, but I just wanted to go ahead and mention that because those are a fave. Cannot, like, where's the cello? Where does the cello end and where does the cello begin? And then let's go ahead and get into the kits for this week. We'll save the exclusive art for last, but these are well, first of all, look at these colors. It's a blue and purple summer, y'all. It's blue and purple summer. Oh, I love it. I love it. I love it. I don't know what foil I'm going to use with this, but I love this kit. It is so fun. It makes me want to blast like early 2000s summer music. It's just so stinking pretty. I love the sand background. I just love the lime and the yellow and the purple and the green. And this like periwinkle is so pretty. Do I have a periwinkle color of the week like that? Or am I going to have to like steal this periwinkle color and use it? I might have to. Well, let me know if you want to see that. This color of the week. I think that would be so good because I feel like it would even like match this. Like their basic, oh, that is the label sampler. Sorry. I feel like it would even like, you could use that color in here too. It really wouldn't be that too big of a deal. I love the patterns and I think they're so fun. I think the SPC Plannahannah collab foil bundle, the last one, would go perfect with this, or like Plannahannah's tie-dye underlays would be really fun with it, or she just came out with like a checkered one that has checkers and smiley face. I think that'd be really fun with it. I have a regular checkered. She has like a bigger checkered. You could do like a waves, you could do bubbles, you could do the new foil bundle that is like the mermaid one. Like, oh, I don't know if this is gonna be available by the time that I think the foil bundle will be. I don't think that the foil will be, which is the bummer, but I think that this foil of the month would also been really pretty with it. But also I think like teal is pretty close to it as well, or even like maybe purple tie-dye would be fun with it. Yeah, I think that'd be cool. There's like a slight pattern on the bottom washi. I just feel like the purple is just like a lot, so I feel like putting a pattern on it kind of tones it down. Perfect for a quote box. And then your freebie and ultimate and mini is the tall box. Lots and lots and lots and lots of boxes. There is no fashion people in the set, but there is add-ons if you want to add some in. It's great for y'all who don't really like fashion people in your sets because this doesn't have any in it at all, so you won't have to work around it. There is a mini kit, and then also there's add-ons. So you have the label sampler, you have the color like label too. Is so pretty. Like you have to bring it in. And then there's this one, which I will say my favorite art piece in the entire set is this person here because their booty. Perfect. That's fashion. There's also my fam, so doodle. I was going to say, I don't know what I was going to say, but it's functional ombre. I think I was going to say factional. Makes sense. And then we have fam 1. So cute. I feel like everyone's so sun-kissed. 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Obsessed. I love this fashion person here because this is just more me. Just chilling in a big shirt. I love it so much. I also really love the pattern on her bathing suit. So that is Sunny Days. Then we have Skater Girl, which I also think is so fun, so cute. Another one I feel like could go with all of the foil things that I said. As far as foil colors goes, I feel like the last one you could do like any foil. I personally probably wouldn't do rose with it, but any other foil combo, like core foils, would be really nice. This one is another one I feel like you could do gold, you could do silver, you could do rose with this one, you could do lavender hollow, you could do sparkly hollow, you could do like, those would be my picks. I think for me, like if you said, Andrea, just use one foil, I'd probably use lavender hollow. That'd be where I go, I think. I think this is a lavender hollow kit. Do I have lavender hollow sitting next to me? Yeah. I think lavender hollow would be really fun, but also sparkly hollow would be really fun. And I also feel like sometimes I just feel weird and just want to put like champagne lights with everything, because I feel like it just like, it pops on a lot of the cooler toned ones. Same thing with this. Like I feel like you could really do this, and I don't know if it's like because it's summer, but like it kind of hits different. Like there's nothing in here that's like put gold on me, but when you put gold on it, especially champagne lights, because it's sparkly, I feel like it does something. But again, I feel like, you know, you could do like a lavender hollow or like a sparkly hollow. I also feel like silver would be really pretty with this one as well. So you got options, and they're all good ones. So let me go ahead and flip through this. I feel like this gives me very either March, April, May, but also June, August, September. That's what it gives me. I think it's so cute. And I love that Darcy did the, I don't know if is it Dubo? I think, on the little like 7-Eleven sign. It's so cute. Freebie in the, oh, you can see there. Freebie in the Ultimate Mini. Had to do the split hairs on those ones in the kit because obviously I got the split hair, and I think it's so fun and so cute. So you have the Ultimate, the Mini, and let me show you the add-on options. You have Label 2, Extra Fashion. So let me show you the difference. So there's those two options, these two options, and those two options. You want to add on Fashion to kind of see what the difference is. Doodle, Functional, and Label. And then last but not least is Pride Parade, which is this exclusive art. I'm so excited for this. I think it's so beautiful. And like always, it is going to be a fundraiser, and I am so excited. Let's go ahead and open it up. It's called Pride Parade. I just wanted to have a lot of like different people in here, and like the parade, the balloons, the colors, and I am just obsessed. Let me give you a little bit of a little scroll through. I just think it's all so fun and so cute and festive. And there's lots of like food decos, and I also threw in little like icons from like the Lucky kind of pattern. I just thought that was really fun if you wanted to pull that in, or even if you wanted to pull in the flowers. The flower will be really pretty with pulling in flower in one of these. I think that'd be really fun. You have more people here that are different than these ones. I just wanted it to be like a really people heavy, fun, celebrating everyone type of kit. And then this is just calling for a quote box, which like I said, you can take any of these and pop them on here, and it just makes a really cute little quote. You could even put them, hold on, like down here. You could do like be proud, and I just think that that's so fun. You can put these little rainbow deco on the full boxes, kind of like I did the D&D spread. Will that be up by the time you see this? Where I took like D&D icons and put them all over like full box overlays, and that kind of made it look like they were D&D overlays, and I loved that. And then the Freebie and the Ultimate Mini is a tall box, and I love their outfit. So cute. So I hope y'all love this set, and I am excited to use this in June. June is like packed though. Usually April is like the month where I'm like, I don't get choices. These are what is happening. But June, I feel like, is also a month where I'm like, I have no choices. So let me show you this real quick. So you have the Label Sampler 2, and Label Sampler 3. So you got like, you could do red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple. And then there is Ombre, Functional, and then the like Ombre Rainbow Doodles, which I think are very cute. And that, my friends, is everything for this week. It is a lot, but actually I was going to do 4 kits this week, but for production purposes, I don't really like biting off more than we can chew. And I was like, let's just alleviate 1 kit from the lineup. And then, like I said, we're on track to back to normal in 2 weeks, but we'll still be within like what we're quoting for processing. And we'll still be doing it faster than we say, as always. So that, my friends, is everything. I hope you like this week's release. I can't wait to hear what you think. I love, because I film these early. Obviously, I don't film the Monday morning whenever they go up, but I love waking up Monday morning to all your comments and your messages and your posts on Instagram, and it's just so fun every single week. And I'm also glad y'all loved last month's mystery. I'm trying to think of what next month's mystery is. Oh, I think it's Kitten Stress Art. June is, and it's gorgeous. Gorgeous anytime kit. But I might use it in September if my dates are correct. But I have to go look at my idea that I had in the middle of this video, because I feel like, it's for you, benefiting you. So I'm very excited about it. And that is everything for this video. And I will talk to y'all in my next video. Bye.